Hello everyone, welcome again to New Roots Hair Clinic Vashi. आज हमारे साथ again we have a patient whose surgery we had done in February. He is here for his final PRP as he stays in Singapore. तो normally जो questions पूछते हैं वही हम लोग पूछेंगे. That is how you are feeling after hair transplant? How has your life changed? कैसे लग रहा है आपको ट्रांसप्लांट करा के?
हाँ, ट्रांसप्लांट करा के काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है. I mean, I feel more confident. And I was scared in the beginning, but now it's been 10 months, so now at this point I'm quite confident and happy with overall process. Yeah.
And how has your experience been about the clinic and everything?
Yeah, it has been quite good. So I just researched about the clinic online, but after I came here, I spoke to a few people, and Dr. Sandeep and everyone. It has been quite good, and I've also consulted them on WhatsApp and everything, so they have been responsive. Yeah.
Okay. And finally, we would like to ask you that a lot of people are scared about transplant, the process, right? There's a surgery, etc. So how has your experience been? How scary was it? How painful was it, etc.?
Yeah, I think I was also scared in the beginning when I researched online and all. Yeah, the surgery day was definitely a bit challenging, but after that it has been smooth, and especially after the positive results, and it worth the process you go through. Yeah.
That's about it. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.